how to buy Ultimate Frog Racing token. So this token came under the symbol of UFR. So before we start, so this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description box. You can get free money, rewards and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko, and you will find here a lot of information. What you need to do here is click on markets, and you will see the Ethereum as a decentralized exchange platform. What you need to do is just click on this link in the pair section. Now what you need to do here, as you can see, click on I understand to confirm. And now click on connect wallet, select the Bitget wallet or your wallet that you use. Now here what you need to do, if you don't find your token here, just go back to CoinGecko, copy the token address from here, and remember this token address came under the Solana network. Now what you need to do, click here and select the Solana as a network, paste the token address here, and now click on this plus icon to add it to your list. Or now what you need to do, just click here and paste the token address all again, and click here, and you will see this token added to the section that you will buy it. Now here, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now what you need to do here, type how much you want to buy, and you will see here how much you receive of that token. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet via Radium. So this is how to buy Ultimate Frog Racing token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.